Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to schedule a post on Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, and then you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the new post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. In the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and schedule a post on Blogger. So when you're here on the screen, you of course need to have a post. You can go and create it by clicking on new post, or you can enter your own blog or post by clicking here. Then when you of course finish everything, so you can go and type in it, you can go and do what you want with the paragraphs, with the text and everything. You can put images, videos, and those things. And when you want to publish it and when you want to schedule a publish, you can go and publish it by clicking here. Or if you want to schedule it, here you have, as you can see, published on, and click there. And here you can go and set a date and time, which you would like to, and when you would like to go and publish it. And then just click publish after that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.